Hi, I'm Neenu Rathin from Thrissur, Kerala. I have been into volunteering since 2014 and I have served with different social organizations. If you ask me if it is important for women to have equal representation as men in politics, my answer would be a very clear and loud yes. Because it is very important for a democratic country like India, where almost half of its population are women. And all of us know that in the Lok Sabha, only 11.3% of the elected representatives are women, and in the state assemblies, it is just 9%. This statistics and the current scenario shows that we need more numbers to be heard, and we need a change, not just in numbers but also in mindset. If more women foray into politics, we will have better policies for women, children, and for the underprivileged. This is simply because if you look at women social workers or women running social organization, we can see that they are very good at root level social activism, especially in the above mentioned areas. Also, if they can advocate issues faced by women and children, as they know better about it, it will create an environment which is conducive for more women to come forward in social and economic arenas, which will in turn bring an overall development of the country. If women get equal power in decision making, the different way of approach of women may help to bring a different perspective while policy making and also while solving issues. But for all of this to happen, we need right kind of women to represent us. Because unlike men, women have to face a lot more challenges and cross barriers to take up a leadership role. I think we need individuals who have overcome all these challenges and work for the betterment of the society. I'm sure we have a lot of women who have such capabilities but hesitant to enter politics or not even considering politics as an option to bring up a change in the society. This is due to many reasons, and all of us know that it is because gender discrimination and harassment towards women, and they may not get support from family and society. But I think there are two more important reasons for that. It is that lack of confidence due to the unawareness of political system, and they may not get right opportunity and encouragement. But if we can pick right women leaders and educate them with the political system and procedures, and inculcate them with inculcate political skills in them, and also help them to build networks and contacts, if they can also make them aware of the resources they can use, and I'm sure they will do on par with men or far better than men. If we can do all this, and if equal representation can be achieved, it will be a massive step towards the betterment of our society and a huge stimuli for the social and economic development of our country. Thank you.